Shocking truth, Noise Airwave Max 5 Headphones Review. Welcome back to Rajeshwari Deals. Today, I'm going to reveal the shocking truth about the newly launched Noise Airwave Max 5 headphones. But before I start, let me ask you. Are you tired of wasting your money on overhyped headphones that promise the world but deliver nothing? I know I was. We've all been there, tempted by flashy ads, convincing reviews, and limited-time offers that seem too good to pass up. But time and time again, we are left disappointed. The sound quality is subpar, the design is cheap, and the revolutionary features turn out to be nothing more than gimmicks. I've lost count of how many pairs of headphones I've bought, only to be left feeling frustrated and ripped off. But then, something changed. I stumbled upon the Noise Airwave Max 5, and I have to say, I was skeptical at first. With all the hype surrounding this product, I thought to myself, is this just another overpriced, underperforming pair of headphones? But as I dug deeper, I discovered some surprising features that caught my attention. So, is the Noise Airwave Max 5 really worth the hype? Or is it just another disappointing product that fails to deliver? In this video, I'll share my honest review, and we'll take a closer look at what makes these headphones tick. As I unboxed the Noise Airwave Max 5, I was immediately struck by the sleek and premium design. The headphones feel solidly built, with a sturdy metal frame and comfortable ear cushions. But it's not just about looks, the real question is, how do they sound? I put the Noise Airwave Max 5 through its paces, listening to a wide range of music, from classical to hip-hop. The sound quality is impressive, with clear and balanced highs, smooth mid-range, and deep bass. The adaptive hybrid ANC, active noise cancellation, is also incredibly effective, blocking out background noise and immersing you in the music. But what really sets the Noise Airwave Max 5 apart is its innovative features. The headphones come equipped with advanced tech like HFA, high-fidelity audio, and dual pairing, which allows you to connect to two devices simultaneously. So, are the Noise Airwave Max 5 headphones worth the hype? In my opinion, absolutely. With its impressive sound quality, innovative features, and sleek design, this product truly delivers. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into the details and see if the Noise Airwave Max 5 is right for you. What do you think? Are you excited to learn more about the Noise Airwave Max 5? Let me know in the comments below. Let's take a closer look at the Noise Airwave Max 5 headphones. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and premium. But what about the headphones themselves? I know some of you might be thinking, isn't Noise just a cheap brand that copies other companies? Well, let me tell you, I was surprised by what I found out. The Noise Airwave Max 5 headphones have some features that might just blow your mind. So, what do I think of the Noise Airwave Max 5 headphones? Well, let me tell you, I'm impressed. The sound quality is amazing, and the adaptive hybrid ANC is incredibly effective. But here's the thing, these headphones aren't just about the tech specs. They're about the experience. Imagine being able to immerse yourself in your favorite music without any distractions. That's what the Noise Airwave Max 5 headphones offer. So, what's the verdict? Are the Noise Airwave Max 5 headphones worth the hype? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and surprises.